Hello. Today we're going to talk a little more about clouds and how they are part of the water cycle. To illustrate this, I'm going to do a short experiment. I'll explain as I go. First, you get a clear plastic cup and fill it almost full with water. Once you've got this done, you take shaving cream and put it on top. This represents a cloud which is formed through condensation, the second step in the water cycle. This occurs after evaporation, in which heat from the sun turns water from bodies of water, such as lakes, oceans, or rivers, into water vapor. This is where condensation comes into play. The water vapor condenses and comes back together to form the clouds in the sky. This forming of clouds is called condensation. After condensation, when the water in the clouds gets too heavy with excess water, precipitation occurs and falls in the form of rain, sleet, snow, or hail. This is going to be represented with food coloring in the form of rain. I will drop it onto the cloud until it gets too heavy and falls through, thus demonstrating precipitation. Notice that the precipitation is not actually blue, but this is the color used so that we can see this process in the experiment more easily. As I place drops on the cloud, watch it carefully for it to begin to fall through. It might take a few drops. And there it goes. If you look closely, you can see the precipitation start to fall. And the blue drops. I'll add some more so that it's more visible. And there you go. That's the water cycle, and that shows how clouds are part of the water cycle.